Welcome to another video. Have you ever thought why this pin of 3-pin plug is made longer and thicker as compared to the other two pins? So if you haven't given a thought about this, let's watch the video to find out the reason why this pin is made longer and thicker. First of all, we need to find out the 3-pin plug connection. Normally, any electric machine that runs on single phase supply has three wires. The two wires are for live and neutral. The red wire represents the live and the blue wire represents the neutral. And this green wire is connected to the metallic body of any electric machine, and this will be connected to the long and thick pin of the 3-pin plug. The other part is the 3-pin socket. The two pins are connected to the AC source, which can be 220 or 110 volt single phase supply, and this pin is the earth pin that is connected to the ground. So in this fashion, when we insert the 3-pin plug into the socket, what we have done, we have connected the body of electric appliance with the ground. Before jumping straight onto the reasons of why the pin is made thicker and longer, first we need to understand the concept of earthing. Let us have a case in which an electric appliance is shorted with the phase accidentally and this body is not earth. So what happens in that case? In that case, when a person touches the body, the whole potential difference will appear across this person and the current will start to flow into the body to the ground, and in this time a person will experience an electric shock which is very dangerous for his health. Now let's find out another case in which the same appliance is now properly earthed. So when the person touches the body during the fault, what happens? The fault current will directly enter into the ground without entering into the body of the person. In this way, the person is completely safe from electric shock, and this is the proper way of energizing any electric machine. So after understanding the concept of earthing, now we can talk about the benefits of making the pin long and thick. The first benefit is that since earth pin is long, whenever we insert this plug into the socket, it will first make the connection before the line or the neutral pins. In this way, the machine will always be earthed before energization. Similarly, during the disconnection, the earth pin will always disconnect at the end, ensuring high safety of the person. The second advantage is that in 3-pin sockets, we have the shutters for the live and the neutral pins so that nobody can insert and touch the phase directly. And to achieve this advantage, again due to its length, when we insert this into the socket, it will open the shutters for the remaining two pins. The next and very important advantage is that because the earth pin is long and thick, it will not be inserted into any other pin, and due to this way, the body of the machine cannot be connected with the phase or the neutral of the supply. The last advantage is, as you can see, that the cross-sectional area of the earth pin is much more than the remaining two pins. So in the event of fault, the fault current will flow through this pin into the ground. So it will enable the pin to carry the fault current without melting. So this is all. I hope you understand why the pin of 3-pin plug is made longer and thicker. For more interesting videos, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.